Okay, if you're familiar to weightlifting, you probably will have come across the Arnold shoulder press, which involves dumbbells and you twist as you press. Now, generally speaking, actually for hypertrophy muscle growth, they're not really anything better than any standard shoulder press. However, with the Mace, there's an extra variable coming in. So the Arnold shoulder press is upward thumb grip and then take your palm to your shoulder and then press and twist the Mace at the same time. However, unlike the dumbbell variant, you've got an uneven weight distribution, and because of the leverage, the Mace is swinging in momentum, so we have to fight that over twist that you'd get with the Mace. I like to add this in for a warm-up, and it adds in that stability and control to the Mace. Whatever you do on one side, remember to do it on the other side to keep things nice and even.